If you have ever wondered on how to create a beautiful combo chart, that means bar in the line graph using Excel, this is the video for you. So at the end of the video, you'll be having a beautiful or a static chart like this one. For my case, it's construction status versus target achieved. That means it depends on which data you're working with. But for this case, I have data describing the years, collection points, and percentage final target. So let us get our hands dirty. So I'll open a new sheet here. I'll copy my data. I'll paste it in another Excel sheet. That's it. Then I'll select my data like this. Then I'll go to the insert button. Then click on this option, or you can go to the recommended charts here. Then all charts. Then bingo, just go to the bottom, combo. This means combination. So you're required at first, when you just press OK here, it will give you something like this. But you're required this percentage final target. This should be like a secondary axis. Make sure you tick by showing this series on the secondary axis. So by clicking this, so it gives you a vision how it will look like the final output. So press OK, and that's it. Then add your title here. Add your title here. Construction versus target, like that one. Then you can always do the chart design here by adding chart elements. Like for instance, this one. For instance, here you can add some data labels at above. Yes, just like that, and put them bold. So this here on the right hand side, this is the final target. You see, it shows you 104%, 104% for the June 20 here. So this is it. So you can always keep like axis, like label. So you can add another chart element here, axis titles. See here, the other side, distance. You can always put it somewhere here. For this one here, this is the collection points. So collection points goes to somewhere 260 to 300. So you can label collection points, and you can always keep the label of these ones here inside these bars here. You can also keep labels by adding chart element. Then data labels should be inside base. Okay, outside end, no, it should be somewhere inside. Yeah, there. See, gives you the figures and numbers. Then you can bold them just like that. So this is it. So this is the way of creating a beautiful combo chart using Microsoft Excel. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and enjoy a lot.